This video has gotten over 60,000 views. This same video have gotten over 4,000 watch hours, as you guys are seeing. And this video has gotten over 1,000 subscribers. So with just this particular one video, I was able to monetize on YouTube. And I'm going to be telling you guys everything that I was able to do for me to be able to use this particular video to monetize my YouTube channel. So if you're not getting subscribers, if you're not getting views, if you're not getting watch hour, but you're looking forward to get monetized, pay attention to these particular details I'm about to show you, because there is just one simple thing that you need to turn on or turn off on your YouTube studio for you to be able to get all of this in good shape. You guys know that anytime I bring this kind of update here, it simply means it is very, very important. And that's why you need to watch this video from beginning to the end, because I will take you to my YouTube studio and show you detailed and procedures, how you can be able to do this so that you can also achieve the same goal or more than this goal, because my prayer for you is to always achieve more than this goal. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. It is the first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's get right into this video. So right now my screen record is all started. I'll attach it either here or here. I hope you guys have been able to see it clear. And if you check, this is the analytics of this particular video. And one of the things that I've been able to turn on this particular YouTube studio to enable this particular video attract a lot of people is using titles that is relating. You can see it here. YouTube removed my channel with over 16,000 subscribers, and there are a lot of people that YouTube actually removed their channel, so they are looking forward to get answers from me. And there are a lot of people as well that are YouTubers that don't want to make this same mistake, so they were able to like search, and YouTube recommended this video for them. So one of the key things you're going to turn on is to ensure that it is a searchable title. Then the second thing that I ensured that I did is to craft a very short description. When I mean short description that is carrying every words to words relating to this particular video. And that's the same procedures and step I've been able to put in all of my videos that has actually been doing well for me. In this video, I share with you guys where YouTube removed my YouTube channel with over 16,000 subscribers on YouTube. This was what really happened. You can see it here. And I also added some hashtags, Lagos Living Vlog YouTube Short, YouTube. These are some of the trending tags that you can also use in your videos. Okay, so if you look out for these trending tags, you can use them. You can also copy from this my tag and also use, right? Then the next thing that I ensured that I did here was to ensure I craft out a thumbnail that can really attract my viewers. You understand, when you're putting out a thumbnail, because you want them to believe what you are doing, you have to ensure that the thumbnail is explaining the exact thing that is trending on your title. You understand? Some persons can still create this video even without putting that thumbnail that can captivate people. So putting thumbnail that can make people click when they see is very important. So what did I do special about this thumbnail? I have to put a YouTube logo there, and I have to put the truth, and please don't ever do this. And I have to also look out for that particular mail that YouTube sent me and then attach it. So in a situation whereby you're not creating a video relating to this, ensure you put out thumbnail relating to what is in your video, so that people know that, okay, this video that they are coming for, they're really coming from the truth, and it's not all about clickbaiting here and there. You understand? Now, if you check, I also have to add a playlist here, which is my sit down playlist. So if you have not created playlists on your channel, please do well to create playlists on your channel. So these are some of the things that you should turn on, right? Then if you check here, I choose a category that it is not meant for kid. But before we came to that, the most important thing again that really helped this video very well to do well is this end screen and cards. I've been able to put some end screen and cards that could redirect other videos to direct this particular video, and that could also redirect this video to direct other videos. You understand? I don't want to go into it detailedly, because I want to show you guys one of the most precious and the most important thing that every one of you is ignoring. Now, after that, if you click on more, I go up, because this is not a paid promotion. I don't need to touch all of that, right? Altered content, I said no, because this is my video and I did not alter it. Now, automatic captions and key moments, they are very important. You see this thing? Automatic captions and key moments. A lot of people don't even tick this at all. Most of them, their own is like this. If it's like this, it simply means if this your video, visit another country, right? they cannot have the automatic captions or chapters that could like bring them close. You understand? So you need to ensure you turn this on. Now, allow automatic plays. You need to also do what? Turn this on. Don't put it off. All of these things, YouTube put them here so that they can help you. Now, very important tags. You can see the tags relating to these same videos that I did. You understand? YouTube removed my YouTube channel with over 16 subscribers, how to grow on YouTube, YouTubers, how to, like these tags are just 4 tags, but they are relating to exact what is on this video. So there is no way people are not going to search, oh, YouTube removed my channel, or I want to grow on YouTube, that YouTube will not recommend this video to them, right? Now, another thing that a lot of you guys ignore that is really killing your channel and you're not getting subscribers, you're not getting views, is because of language and caption. You see, this thing is very important. Ensure you turn on your video language so that YouTube will know that this is the language that this video is directed to. So if it's an Arabic country, you put it as Arabic. My own country is an English-speaking country, and it's on English. You understand? Title and description language, English as well. It will also enable them to know, okay, these are the people that really need this particular thing, that can actually understand what is really happening in this video. And a lot of you people are ignoring this. You understand? If you're ignoring this, automatically you're not going to be getting that desired views, subscribers, and watch hour that you are looking for, right? Now, if you check this license, one of the most important thing that you should never joke with is this word, allow embedding or public to subscription feed. On my own end, you can see allow embedding. It simply means other sites and websites can actually embed my videos. You understand? Which simply means I'll be getting views from there. But now this works in 2 ways, right? If you have subscribers coming back to watch your videos back to back, you put it on what? Publish to subscription feed. But if your subscribers are seeing your videos and they are shifting your videos one place, or they will move to the next place before you know, it's better you click allow embedding. On this channel, I'm not going to be saying I've had that strong audience that will come, that strong subscribers that every time I put out video, they are always there to go back. So that's why I allowed what? Embedded, because this is a channel that is just growing. You understand? So ensure that you see this particular thing. It is very, very important. Now, short remixing, where a lot of you guys are missing it out. A lot of you guys will go and put, do not remix my content. Like I'm asking, like, why? Why won't they remix your content? You understand? You can see it here. Allow video and audio remixing, allow audio remixing, or do not allow. I put allow video and audio remixing because the more people are remixing this particular content, the more I'll be having more views, the more it will be redirecting other people to come and watch. So these are the things that you should also do. What? Try to turn on whenever you are uploading your videos. If you have all of these things in check, if you have all of these things in place, there is no way you are not going to be what? Getting your desired views. And if at this point you're still struggling, Sonia, how do I even check trending videos? How do I even know how my videos are trending, or how people's videos are trending, or videos that is trending relating to my niche? This is where Sonia coming to display for you. This is where Sonia is coming to help you, because what I do basically is to go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, why you're not getting the subscribers, why you're not getting the watch hour, what can we do for you to be able to get the subscribers and watch hour? How can we be able to do this at a space of time so that at the end of the day, you are going to testify? You understand? And now, once I come into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, it's going to be like a great opportunity for you, because I told you guys, I have a lot of experience on this YouTube street. A lot of our fans have been able to get monetized, and yours would not be different. All you need to do is to check these flyers that is displaying on the screen. If you check this flyer that is displaying on the screen, do well to send me a mail with this same mail at faithonoja3195@gmail.com and tell me, oh, Sonia, I just wanted to come into my channel to come and see what is happening. At least check my YouTube studio setting. If it's okay, if it's not okay, let's know what we can add and what we can minus, so that at the end of the day, we are going to get to the permanent side. And trust me, there is no way you're not going to be getting monetized. There is no way you're not going to be getting views. There's no way you're not going to be getting subscribers. So ensure that this particular thing that I showed you is what you are always doing in all of your videos. Put them in the right track. By the time you put them in the right track, trust me, you are definitely not going to suffer for either views, watch hour, or getting monetized and cashing out on YouTube. I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I do locally say in my videos, I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.